Hello friends, welcome to Prechu's channel. In this video, I'm going to share a homemade herbal shampoo that is absolutely natural and extremely good for your hair. The herbs used helps to cleanse, moisturize, remove dandruff and boost hair growth in a natural healthy way.
Now let me explain you how to prepare the shampoo.
The first ingredient is dried amla. Amla is known as Indian gooseberry. It strengthens your hair, prevents premature graying and stimulates hair growth. Take 100 grams of amla. Get small dried amla pieces like this from shops. If you get big size amlas, it would be very difficult for you to grind it in mixie. Grind these amla pieces little by little in small mixture jar and prepare coarse powder. It is not required to grind it as fine powder. The next one is shikakai or soap pot. Shikakai has been used from ages. It is a gentle detangler and prevents split ends. Take 100 grams of shikakai and crush it to small pieces in a stone grinder or break them with your hand. Doing this step is essential to avoid damages to mixie blades. Now grind these small pieces of shikakai little by little in mixie jar and prepare coarse powder like this. The next ingredient is Rita or soap nut. We call it as bundikai in Tamil. Take 500 grams of Rita. This will cleanse your hair well and gives you shiny hair. This is an important ingredient in this shampoo. Remove the seeds of the soap nuts using grinding stone. The seeds are not required, so throw it and we are going to use the shells. Now grind it as coarse powder in mixie. The next one is kalonji seeds or black jeera. Take 1/4 cup of black jeera. This will help in hair growth and strengthen hair follicles. Grind it in mixie to form it as a powder. Next one is fenugreek seeds. We all know that this prevents dandruff and beneficial to promote hair growth. Take 1/4 cup of fenugreek seeds and make it as powder in mixie. The final ingredient is flax seeds. Flax seeds are rich in vitamin E. It boosts your hair growth and condition your hair well. Take 50 grams of flax seeds and grind it as powder. Now add all the powders to a bowl to combine them. In this stage, I am adding 50 grams of hibiscus powder. I used store-bought powder. Hibiscus is very good for the hair growth, so I have used in the shampoo. Mix all the powders well and store it in an airtight container. This will last for you for months. This is the base for the shampoo, and whenever you are preparing a bottle of shampoo, you just require 2 to 3 tablespoons of this powder. Hence, these powders will last for you for a longer period of time and you don't need to prepare this every time. To prepare this shampoo, add 2 or 3 tablespoons of this powder and boil it with 2 glasses of water. Let it boil well for 10 minutes and then simmer it for the next 10 minutes. Cook this mixture well to get more thick shampoo. You can add water if it becomes too thick. Cover it with the lid and keep it overnight. In the next morning, crush this mixture with your hand and strain the shampoo using a cloth or tea strainer which has double net. Now our herbal shampoo is ready. You can prepare this shampoo for 4 to 5 washes beforehand. That is, you can make a full bottle of shampoo and store it in refrigerator for 2 weeks. Hence, you can make this shampoo in small batches with a shampoo base. Once if you start using this, you will never turn back to commercial shampoos. It gives tremendous results. The process looks slightly tedious, but it's really worth for it. This is a magical formulation that prevents hair fall and strengthens your hair. Try this and let me know your comments.